If you want to maintain your privacy while using Coinbase, you can hide your online status. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Coinbase website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, locate the settings option. This is usually found in the profile menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon in the top corner. Step 3. Find privacy settings. Within the settings menu, look for a section labeled privacy or security. This is where you can manage your visibility and online status preferences. Step 4. Adjust online status. In the privacy settings, look for an option related to your online status. Toggle the setting to hide your online presence from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save any changes before exiting the settings menu. This will confirm that your online status is now hidden. By following these steps, you can enhance your privacy on Coinbase and control your online visibility.